back to my balcony garden, where I share another amazing episode about my plants. Hey guys, I got one flower here and it's gorgeous. Look at that. I don't know what kind of flower this is, but it's cool and I'm digging it. And this is a garden update. Hopefully I get more of them. Nothing else is happening in my other pots, so I'll be back later to show y'all if anything comes up. Alright then, here's my little frog. Spin guys, spin. Oh, that was me trying to spin the frog. Alright, after that, look, I got my dang gnat stickers. I got this one out here in this pot, but most of them in the house, and they are already working, collecting all those dang gnats. Thanks for recommending this product, Antoinette. Alright, guys, I totally forgot to mention my dang boxwood propagated plant here. As you guys can see, it's hanging in there. It's still alive. I think it's been since January. I put this in here, I believe. Yes, still hanging in there. Look like two of them hanging in there. This one down there in the corner, well, not the corner, on the side right there, is hanging in there too. And this one in front of this one here, this one looks like it's hanging in there. So alrighty, and there's my flower still. I'm loving it, loving it. I still have to straighten up my balcony and still paint my little shelf. Coming soon. Alright, y'all. My little animal planters, the plants that are in them are still doing okay. Some of them have gotten larger. It's nice. I love it. Just sharing a little snippet of this. My little elephant plant back there has gotten larger. I love growing these elephant plants. I am gonna replant some of them, or repot, excuse me.